Do you have a whole book of Polaroid like this just sitting in your shelf with nothing to do? That's why I made Polaroid frames. My girlfriend wanted some of these where we could just hang on the wall. I made a few designs that look really cute, and essentially they're all magnetic and work with each other. So if you have a back plate like this that I've designed, they have magnets that kind of just snap it in place. And once it snaps in place, if you put magnets or a command strip or even painter's tape seems to work, you can kind of just stick it on your wall and call it a day. So if you like them, feel free to get some yourself, and I hope you have a great day. See ya.